What if we told you that there's actually a new and quick and easy way to make money right now? $600 to be exact. All you're expected to do is click your mouse a few times and voila, just like that, you're gonna make $600. With our method today, you could be making that money right now. $100, $400, all the way to $600. We've researched far and wide and we've come across so much already, but this is the one that stood out to us the most. What's up everybody and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now this is our website for today and it is called Latium. As you can see, find your perfect freelancer in under 10 minutes. So this is the freelancing website. How does Latium work? Complete jobs and earn now. As a Latium freelancer, you have the ability to highlight your skills, complete projects, and earn in numerous currencies. Post your portfolio today. You're gonna browse projects. Browse the available projects on the Latium platform and submit a bid. Or simply select an instant hire project to start working immediately, and then complete the project. Complete the project to the employer's specification and submit your work through the Latium contract management system. And lastly, you're gonna get paid. Once your work has been reviewed and approved, payment will be released immediately to your Latium wallet. So go ahead and click on Explore Projects right here, and you're gonna see some different categories of these projects. And let's just choose most active so that we know which ones are actually currently available and open. And if you look at all of the different types of projects that are open for you to work for and the different prices that they pay, from $4 all the way to $500, that's how much you could be making on this website alone, which is just absolutely insane. Because this just goes to show that this is your earning potential. This is how much you're going to be making, and this is how much opportunity is waiting for you. We want you to check out the graphic and design projects because that's actually what pays the most, and that's why that's what we're going to be focusing on for today's video. So go on to graphic and design like so, and then you're going to be taken to here. And again, $5 to even $2,000. Can you imagine earning that much for jobs like this one? Plus, having our secret tool later on that's basically going to be doing all of the work for you. That's just absolutely amazing, don't you think? All of these projects come from all of the world, meaning anyone also from all around the world can join in and work, and that's obviously what we want. If you're already thinking about having to do anything yourself, don't worry. Like I mentioned, there is a secret tool that we're going to be showing you that's going to do all of the work for you, so you should have no problem at all. So let's say we're going to choose to do this project. It's going to pay you anywhere from $100 to $150, and basically they want a logo done for them. And the instructions are: needing a logo design rework for an accounting theme. Looking to be unique in the times that are visually boring industry of accounting. Looking for a fresh artistic direction for our logo that will eventually apply to our entire branding umbrella. So now that we know what they're looking for, we can finally go ahead and create the logo being asked of us, and where are we going to get the logo. So let's just get right into it. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer: PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Open up freelogodesign.org, and as you can see, create your own logo for free in just a few minutes. Design your logo with the free Logo Design Logo Maker, the fastest and easiest way to create a logo. Free Logo Design is a free online logo software helping entrepreneurs, small and medium businesses, freelancers, or associations to create professional logos in minutes. We are the most advanced HTML5 logo creator on the market, allowing you to use our tool easily with a smartphone or a tablet. Make your logo for free whenever and wherever the inspiration comes. Choose amongst thousands of high-quality templates and customize your logo by editing color, shape, and font. We are positive that you will find a template that meets your needs. Sounds promising and truly is promising. Going back to the homepage, you can type in the name of the person who asked us to create a logo or the company. And we're just going to copy and paste that right here as an example. And I'm sure they have a company name, but since he didn't state it, we're just going to use his name. And then once you've pasted that there, you're going to click on Get Started. And right off the bat, you're going to see all of the templates with the company's name on it. So you can visualize it properly. And what's cool about this is that you can choose what kind of business this is or the category of the logo. So let's do business and consulting. And everything is absolutely cool. Just choose any, and mind you, you can actually change and edit the font, the colors, the font size, and you can add designs. Basically, take anything out and change anything and everything about this template if you want to. So at least you have the freedom to do anything you want. And once that's all ready, just download it into your computer and then upload it and submit it to your client. Now you can do as much projects in a day. There are no limits. So if I were you, I'd do as many as possible to really make the most amount of money. So make sure that you try this method out. And that is basically everything. But before we really close it, we have to do a little recap. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. First thing that you're going to do is open up freelogodesign.org and explore the page a bit. And when you're ready, go on to layshram.org, go through graphic and design projects, look for someone who's looking for a logo or something, whatever they want you to be done. And then you're going to create a logo. And then as soon as you're creating the logo, which you're going to do on freelogodesign.org, you're going to do it the way they asked you to with their instructions. Once that's done, you're going to download it. Then you're going to go back to layshram.org to your client's project, submit that project, and then just like that, you're going to get paid. So it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Make sure you do it. Make sure you let us know how it goes for you in the comments down below. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.